And right around here, you've got the A45S. Now, the old A45 was a very popular car back in Malaysia, so this one should be even more potent, even more popular with the same amount of power as the CLA. Now you get the same styling enhancements as you got in the CLA. On the front, the Pan-Americana grille, as well as the huge air intakes and those flicks. At the back again, you've got lots of aerodynamic trim pieces such as this massive rear spoiler. You can see there, looks very aggressive. And the huge rear diffuser with quad tailpipes. Now, let's have a look at the inside. Interior again, same as the W177A class, except for the steering wheel with the rotary knob and the two switches on the side. Again, with the Edition 1 pack, you also gain stripes along here. These ones have a slightly different design and yellow stitching and the yellow torque marker on the steering wheel. The engine is again an M139 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, making 421 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque on this S variant. This car will get to 0 to 100 slightly faster than the CLA, getting there in 3.9 seconds for this S variant. Again, it has all-wheel drive and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Oh, and I forgot to say that it comes with a new drift mode, just like its big brother, the E63. So there you have it, the new Mercedes-AMG A45S. What do you think? Do you like the performance on offer on this new version? Let us know in the comments section. Until next time, thanks for watching.